Alright, alright, alright. Got my second winter blade knife in the mail today. M390 blade, titanium handle. I think they call it the bacon laser etching or the blade along with the clip. Severn. I love choke up points, baby. This guy just makes incredible stuff. It's all fidgety, it's neat, it's magnetic. This thumb stud's actually magnetic. This is his newer locking system. I know he's got even more stuff coming out, but man. He's got to be probably my favorite knife maker right now. This guy just puts out cool futuristic shit. Very nice, man. Another one for the collection.